In this video, I'm gonna show you how to drive a deer in GTA 5. As you can see here, I'm driving a deer and I can even drift with this deer. It drifts too, so you can turn the wheels just like a normal car here, and you can reverse if you want. It's a very nice mod here, so I'm gonna show you how to download this mod and how to just set it up and everything. Okay, first I'm just gonna close down GTA 5. Let me just close down the game. Okay, now what you need to do is open Google Chrome, and then you need to go and type in menu mod. So go to the first link here, and let me just zoom out a little bit. Click download and then click download again to download the mod. Now let's go to this next website. It's called ScriptHookV. Then click download and let it download. So now let's go ahead and go to the downloaded folders. Now there we go. Now we have these downloaded folders. Now let's open GTA 5 folder. This is the folder for GTA 5. To install it, you simply click on the first folder, go to bin, copy these 3 folders, and then paste. Now go back, go to the next folder, copy this one and this one, and then paste. Now you're pretty much done here. Just make sure before you launch the game that you have this enabled and you have -no battle I. You have to write this down here and then launch the game. So once you open GTA 5, you want to click F8, then go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and you should find it down here. It's called deer cow, so deer car. So click on it and you want to press F8 again to close the menu, and there you go. Now you have basically you're driving like a deer right now. As you can see, turning the wheels like it's basically driving a deer. It's a very nice mod, very funny one, so it's hilarious. As you can see, the deer is slightly moving his head. It's kind of like alive. It's a living deer. So yeah, like if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of these videos, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe.